Hello you guys, Happy New Year. My name is Jamaica for those who don't know, and I am the founder of Tina's Legacy. And Tina's Legacy is where we reupholster furniture. Well, the first thing that I need to do is take these legs off so I can get to the dust cover. So I have my trusted drill here, and I am just going to. So I'm not going to keep these because I have some legs that I'm going to replace these with. So these babies are going into the garbage. Protects it. So the first thing that you have to do is remove the dust cover, and then once you remove the dust cover, it will tell you exactly your next steps, right? So removing the dust cover. So if you can see the next steps, there's staples all around, as you can see, all around the chair. So that would be your next step. So this chair was built a little different. As you can see, they bolted together with these screws. So that means I need a wrench. Aha! This is a garage and we have tools. So what we gotta do is take the screws out. Okay, you guys, watch the magic. Voila! So they bolted the seat to both of the arms, and now it makes it easier for me to reupholster each piece, right? So, who bangs? Have a bracket right here, and you have a screw right there. So they just slide the arm on the bracket and the screw, and the same to this side, bracket and screw. All right, you guys, now that is over, our next step is to take all of this fabric off of these pieces, staple by staple. So okay, you guys, I am back. What we have done so far is dismantled the chair. I stripped the chair down. Now it's time to put the new fabric on the chair. So let's get started. So this is the arm. Again, you have one side, the inside panel right here. You have the outside, which is right here, and then you have a strip right down the middle. Inside, outside, and then a strip down the middle. Let's see how this is gonna go. Oh, it's backwards. got the seat on, as you can see. So cute. Now we are about to add some piping right along here. I just finished putting the fabric on the back, the top part of the chair, and it looks really good. So the last step is to put the back on. Okay, you guys, to jazz it up a little bit, I am going to add some piping around the back part, edges of the chair, and it would just highlight the blue. So that is the goal. So let's do it. Going to tack on the back with the cardboard strips. So let's get to it. The next step to close everything up on the back, we're going to use metal strips. See? So these metal strips have teeth right here and it hooks onto the fabric. So we're going to put the metal strips right here like so. So we can close this bad baby up. Alright. Okay, you guys. So the last step is to put the dust cover on the bottom, and we will be finished. There's a little one over here dancing in the mirror.